Hi, so we will discuss about Angular Ng Style Directive. Before we start this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Let's start. This Ng Style Directive is used to set the DOM elements, style properties. For example, suppose you want to create a button with color red, font width bold, and font size is 20. Actually, we have already created buttons here. So in our server is also running. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, you can see here this font is font size is 20 and it's bold and color is red. Let me change it from 20 to 30. We'll see the change is reflecting here. You can see here that the font size is getting increased. Okay, if you don't want to if you don't want to hard code values here, what you can do, you can create a one method here in components and just define all the styles here in a key value pair. Okay, you can see here we define like color red, font size, font width is bold, and font size is 20. Okay, and what you have to do, you just need to call this method. Okay, here just remove it, and what you are doing here, you are just binding this method with Ng Style Directive. That's it. Now see, yeah, you can see here buttons. Actually, in the font size is 20. That's why it's in a small. Okay, then it's bold and color is red. Let me change it from 20 to 40. Let's see. Yeah, see, it got changed. And the main use of this Ng Style Directive, whenever suppose you have a dynamic, you want to display the data as a dynamic. Like suppose you have a list of students object, as we have an array. Okay, you want to display the records like whoever the students having gender is female wants to display in a green color. Okay, and if gender is male, then wants to display the records in a red. Okay, so how we can display it? Okay, let me show you. Let me create one button here. Oh, sorry, button is already created. Let me insert over this array ng4 let student of students. Okay, let's take one spin, and here we will use Ng Style Directive. Background color, background color, we have to make it the dynamic based on the gender value. So let's make it, if gender is male, then it's red. Okay, else it's a green. Let's show values. So we are using interpolation here. Student dot name for gender, student dot gender. Third one is branch. Student dot branch. That's it. Let's see. Okay, there's error. What is error? This name is student dot name, gender. What is the error? 1 second. Okay, student dot branch. It's not a correct. Now it's compiled successfully. See here on the gender which is female in green and the gender which is male in red. Okay, so that's it from my end. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.